Happy Easter, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Today we'll be on this egusi soup that I made for my family for Easter. So keep on watching. So during this lockdown, it's not everybody that have money to buy like turkey or anything. So I'm using kote fish for this egusi soup. Only kote fish. That is what I will be using for this egusi soup. So I'm frying the fish now. So this is the only fish I will be using for the egusi soup. Nothing more, nothing less. So these are the things I will be using. So mangi, salt, momo, my iru in Yoruba, and onions, this momo, and this is my pepper that I've already blend. So this is the fish that I told you guys I've already fried it, ugu, and here is my egusi that I've already ground it already, and here's my red oil that I will be using. My billionaire family, if you do not have money to buy meat or turkey or anything, don't stress yourself. Buy fish, eat, be happy with your family, and God will bless. Don't stress your husband though that you must buy meat or turkey to do soup. Anything you have, my sister, manage it with your husband this time around. You know how things are in this our country, most especially this lockdown period. Please don't stress your guy oh, don't stress him. Anything you have, thank God that you even see something to eat. Some are in another place now that they are even looking for something that you are eating they did not see. Common garri they did not see. So please, just bear with your husband this time around. Anything he give you, be satisfied and pray with him. God will see us through this time around. God will see us through, yeah? So I've mixed, I'm frying it now. So this process is not something that I'm adding my iru now. My pomo. I'm adding it to it now. Adding it to it. I'm adding it to it. So after that, I'm putting my mangi now. Putting my maggi there, I'll be adding the salt. That is it about that. So please, just let's keep on praying. God will see us through this lockdown period. I know we will come out victorious in Jesus' name. We'll come out victorious. So just manage whatever you have at home with your husband. So I'm adding my egusi now. Adding my egusi, but I've blend pepper with the egusi already before, so that is optional if you don't want it. My husband like pepper, so I add another one to that already. So now I'll be frying it like so. I'll be frying it like this. Please, I'll fry like 10 minutes before I add like my water. Fry like 10 minutes to no 5 minutes to 5 minutes to 7 minutes, sorry, before I will not add water to it. So there is it. If you do not like this iru, it's not must for you to add it to. I like it, so that's why I add it to it. It's optional also. So I'm adding water now. I'm adding water. I've added water now, so I'll cover it. Cover it now. So now look at it now. At least when I cover it, I leave it for like 5 minutes. Fry. Open it now, stirring. So I'm adding my ugu now. I'm adding my ugu. So please let me know if you want me to be showing you some of budget cooking. Because I won't lie to you, it's not everybody that have money to buy turkey or meat or stuff like that. So just manage with what my oga give me. I can't come and kill my oga. So that is it. Eat this one abeg. We don happy, we don jolly, we don do Easter be that. We don do Easter be that oh. Do your this thing, join am. If na eba you wan do or garri, if na fufu, if na semo your hand carry, buy semo make you cook am join. If na eba, do eba join. If na fufu, if na yam, pounded yam, that one too go. So anything, just manage. Be grateful that you are still alive. That one na im be the main important thing. So that is it about it. That is it oh. Love you guys. So my billionaire family, this is a finished look of the Egusi soup. So I'll be preparing semo with it to enjoy with my family by the special grace of God. So try this and let me know what you think about this method. It's very easy. Don't kill yourself. You can use only fish to do it. Even though if it's even only pomo that you have, use it to prepare it and enjoy it with your family. So that is it. So let me know what you think about this video. I love you and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.